Hello kids. Do you remember? M is R. Let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. The cat is hungry. 2. My sister is in the garden. 3. The books are on the table. 4. Our classroom is big. 5. Their car is very fast. 6. These apples are fresh. 7. My friend is 10 years old. 8. The children are at school. 9. Our teacher is very kind. 10. Those shoes are new. Great job. You're amazing.